how to disable or block notifications on Android apps. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily block or disable any Android apps notifications. So first thing, simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down all the way until you find the apps section. Just tap on this, and from over here you can just basically have to locate any of the Android apps which you want to delete or disable the notifications from. So let's say I want to disable the notifications from this ShareIt application. So as you can see, when I click on this notifications, if it's enabled like this, you can basically just simply click on this to disable it, and all notifications from this app will be particularly blocked. So that is exactly how you can easily disable or turn off the notifications section for every single app on your Android device. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.